So hello everyone on the crypto channel number 1, where we're covering up all of the biggest, most resonant crypto news in one place. So consider to subscribe, watch it to the end, hit that like subscribe button, and let's go. So Bitcoin investments products still suffering outflows despite price recovery. Kevin O'Leary or Shark Tank espouses deflationary future for Ethereum. Crypto mom Hester Pierce slams SEC for $10 million Polonic settlement. So let's go. While institutions are still withdrawing capital from Bitcoin investment products, money is flowing into Ethereum and altcoin products. Institutional crypto products have seen their fifth consecutive week of outflows, despite the bullish momentum in the market. In its August 9 digital asset fund flows weekly report, institutional asset manager CoinShares estimated that outflows totaled $26 million for the week. However, the report notes that outflows have shrunk compared to during May and June, when outflows surged to a record $141 million per week. Despite Bitcoin gaining 17.5% over the past week, Bitcoin funds shed $33 million this past week. CoinShares own Bitcoin product was the biggest loser for the period with an outflow of $63.3 million, while the world's largest crypto asset manager, Grayscale, remained flat. According to Grayscale latest update on August 10, the combined value of assets managed by its funds has climbed back above 14 billion for the first time since mid-May. So it says us that Grayscale, I would say, setting up bullish. So we have seen the number of funds investment products listed accelerate recently with a record 37 launched this year compared to the previous high of 30 seen in 2018. However, Ethereum-based investment products saw inflows of $2.8 million for the week as Ether rallied after last week's successful London upgrades. Ether products now represent 26% of capital invested into institutional crypto products. So CoinShares has also published its financials for the first half of 2021, revealing a total income of $81.2 million. As such, CoinShares has earned triple what it did during the entirety of 2020 during the first half of this year. As of June 30, 2021, CoinShares total was $3 billion, up to 27.6% compared to the end of December 2020. So it's interesting. It says basically that almost all of the institutional is setting up really bullish, and they holding, they buying. So we can see another all-time highs. Obviously not financial advice, but it's interesting. So Kevin O'Leary of Shark Tank exposes deflationary future for Ethereum. Shark Tank star Mr. Wonderful argues that Ethereum is destined to become ultrasound money once its chain merge occurs. So Let's see the video. So Mr. Wonderful talks about Ethereum, AAP, and Ethereum becoming cash flow positive and ultrasound money. If Bitcoin is sound money because of the $21 million supply saving, Ethereum is ultrasound money because there is no supply floor. When you combine this with AP3675, which switches the network to proof of stake, Ethereum will become deflationary, he concluded, adding. So, at the time of writing, it has been 5 days since Ethereum's highly anticipated 1559 improvement proposal went live. According to ultrasound.money, a website tracking the rate at which Ether is being burned through transaction fees, estimating that roughly 20,500 Ether, roughly $63.75 million, have been burned so far. While a firm date for Ethereum's forthcoming change merge, which will complete the network's transition to proof-of-stake consensus, is yet to be announced, and experts are predicting the merge will occur in early 2022. Last month, the chain merge was formalized as an Ethereum improvement proposal for the first time. Now dubbed EIP 3765, the upgrade was formalized through the creation of a pull request on GitHub. So let me know in the comment section below what you're thinking, what has the more opportunities to rise up. Ethereum will beat Ethereum or Bitcoin. Do you think that Ethereum reaching up Bitcoin price in the future? Let me know, let's discuss on it, it's really interesting. Also hit that like, subscribe button, thank you so much. Crypto mom Hester Pierce slams CK for $10 million Polonix settlement. Crypto mom Hester Pierce, so Commissioner Hester Pierce, known colloquially as Crypto Mom, has slammed the United States Securities and Exchange Commission for its $10 million settlement with cryptocurrency exchange Polonix. Given how slow we have been in determining how regulated entities can interact with crypto, market participants might understandably be surprised to see us come onto the scene now with our enforcement guns blazing and argue that Polonix was not registered or operating under an exemption as it should have been. So the Commissioner highlighted several regulatory matters that the SEC has been criticized for failing to clarify with regards to digital asset businesses, including how to determine whether an asset is a security and what licenses and exemptions are appropriately required to operate a cryptocurrency exchange. So Pierce added if Polonix had tried to register as a securities exchange or as an alternative trading system, the firm likely would have waited and waited and waited some more. So USD Coin, stablecoin issuer, acquired Polonix for $400 million back in 2018. In October of the following year, Circle spun out Polonix exchange business, selling it to a consortium of investors. So please let me know in the comment section below what you're thinking. Let's discuss on it because it's really interesting. I'm more than happy to share with you such big positive huge news like this one and another one, which you can check out right now. Click in on the screen on your device and see even more. The most